Bay windows are a timeless architectural feature that can elevate the aesthetic appeal of any home. In Clearwater, where picturesque views and abundant sunlight are part of everyday life, bay windows are an ideal choice for homeowners looking to create beautiful, light-filled spaces. Their unique design not only enhances the exterior charm of your home but also transforms the interior, offering versatility, elegance, and functionality. Here's how bay windows enhance Clearwater home aesthetics and why they're a perfect addition to your living space. Adds architectural elegance to your home. Bay windows are known for their distinctive style and ability to make a statement. Extending outward from the home's exterior, they create depth and dimension, adding visual interest to any architectural style. How bay windows elevate home design. Classic appeal. Whether your Clearwater home is traditional or modern, bay windows add a touch of sophistication that complements any design. Enhanced facade. The outward projection creates a focal point, drawing attention to the window as a key architectural element. Customizable designs. Choose from a range of materials, finishes, and styles to match your home's unique character. Bay windows give your home a polished and elegant look that enhances curb appeal. Maximizes natural light. Clearwater's sunny weather is one of its biggest attractions, and bay windows are the perfect way to invite that light into your home. Their multi-panel design captures sunlight from multiple angles, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. Benefits of natural light. Brighter interiors. Bay windows illuminate your home, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day. Showcase outdoor views. Large, unobstructed panes let you enjoy Clearwater's stunning scenery, from lush greenery to coastal vistas. Mood enhancement. Natural light creates a warm and welcoming environment, boosting your mood and making your home feel more inviting. With bay windows, you can make the most of Clearwater's abundant sunshine while enhancing your home's aesthetic appeal. Expands your living space. The extended design of bay windows adds both visual and functional space to your home, creating a unique and versatile feature that enhances your interiors. How bay windows expand your living space. Seating nooks. Create a cozy window seat perfect for reading, relaxing, or enjoying the view. Decorative displays. Use the extra ledge for plants, art, or personal decor to personalize your space. Open feel. The outward projection makes rooms feel larger and more open, adding to the overall charm of your home. This multifunctional space enhances the aesthetics and usability of your home's interior. Improves ventilation and airflow. Many bay windows come with operable side panels, allowing fresh air to circulate throughout your home. This feature is especially valuable in Clearwater's warm, coastal climate. Ventilation benefits. Cross breeze. Opening the side panels creates airflow, making your home feel cooler and fresher. Healthier air quality. Improved ventilation reduces indoor humidity and prevents stale air. Customizable comfort. Choose from casement or double-hung windows for easy operation and optimal airflow. Bay windows combine beauty with functionality, offering a practical way to enhance your home's comfort. Blends aesthetics with energy efficiency. Bay windows aren't just beautiful, they're also practical. Modern energy-efficient bay windows help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping your home comfortable while reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient features. Insulated glass. Double or triple pane glass reduces heat transfer, keeping your home cool in Clearwater's warm weather. Low E coatings. Reflect heat and UV rays, protecting your interiors and maintaining a consistent indoor climate. Weatherproof frames. Durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass resist the effects of humidity and salt air. Energy-efficient bay windows enhance the beauty of your home while supporting a sustainable lifestyle. Complements any room. Bay windows are versatile and can be incorporated into virtually any room in your home, each time enhancing the aesthetics and functionality of the space. Room-specific uses. Living room. Create a stunning centerpiece that draws attention and floods the space with light. Kitchen. Install a bay window above the sink for a charming and practical addition. Bedroom. Add a cozy nook for relaxing or enjoying the morning sunlight. Dining area. Use a bay window to frame an elegant seating area with natural light and scenic views. The flexibility of bay windows ensures they're as functional as they are stylish. Increases home value. The aesthetic and practical benefits of bay windows make them a sought-after feature for potential buyers, adding significant value to your home. Value-boosting features. Curb appeal. A beautiful bay window enhances the exterior of your home, making it more attractive to buyers. Energy savings. Energy-efficient options appeal to eco-conscious buyers looking for long-term savings. Luxury appeal. The unique design of bay windows conveys a sense of elegance and sophistication. Investing in bay windows is a smart way to increase your home's marketability while enjoying their aesthetic benefits. Conclusion. Bay windows are an excellent addition to any Clearwater home, combining elegance, natural light, and functionality to enhance both your interior and exterior design. Whether you're looking to create a cozy seating area, improve ventilation, or boost curb appeal, bay windows deliver unmatched style and performance. If you're ready to transform your Clearwater home with beautiful, energy-efficient bay windows, contact a trusted window professional today. Their expertise will help you choose and install the perfect bay windows to enhance your home's aesthetics and elevate your living space for years to come.